Welcome! This mindful pseudocol etymology lesson is on the word preponderance. We will be discussing this word's origin and meaning. I'm Dr. Daniel May. Thank you for joining me. This word comes at the suggestion of Veronica. Thank you, Veronica, for this interesting word. I hope you enjoy this video and continue to follow my channel. The noun preponderance, which is commonly used as a way to say the majority of something, comes from the Latin verb preponderare, meaning to outweigh. This definition becomes even more apparent when we divide the word into the prefix pre, or pre, meaning before, and the suffix ponderare, meaning to weigh, from the word pondus, meaning weight. Interestingly, this word is also the origin of the words pound and pint, which are other words used to measure quantities. The word pondus can be traced back to Proto-Indo-European origins to a word meaning to draw, stretch, or spin, which is also the origin of the word pendulum. When we combine these parts together, we get the imagery of the scales of justice, where facts are weighed on either side of a balance to determine the just outcome. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Has it changed the way you understand the word preponderance? Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and subscribe, and I wish you well in your pursuit of health and wellness.